Hello children, welcome to our channel Thirumani's Classroom. Today we learn about spice. So let's start. Asa Fatida. In Hindi, hing. In Assamese, hing. Bay leaf. In Hindi, tezpatte. In Assamese, tezpat. Black cumin. In Hindi, kala jeera. In Assamese, kaljeera. Black pepper. In Hindi, Kali Mirch. In Assamese, Jaluk. Cardamom. In Hindi, Elaichi. In Assamese, Ilachi. Cinnamon. In Hindi, Dalchini. In Assamese, Dalchini. Chili. In Hindi, Mirch. In Assamese, Jolokia. Clove. In Hindi, Long. In Assamese, Long. Coriander. In Hindi, dhania. In Assamese, dhania. Cumin. In Hindi, jeera. In Assamese, jeera. Fennel. In Hindi, sof. In Assamese, sofguti. Fenugreek. In Hindi, methi. In Assamese, methi guti. Garlic. In Hindi, lasun. In Assamese, nohoro. Ghost pepper. In Hindi, fiki mirch. In Assamese, bhut jolokia. Ginger. In Hindi, adrak. In Assamese, ada. Mustard seed, white and black. In Hindi, sarso, safed ya kala. In Assamese, horiho, boga naiba kola. Onion. In Hindi, pyaz. In Assamese, pyaz. Saffron. In Hindi, kesar. In Assamese, kekhor. Sesame pepper. In Assamese, chabrang. Turmeric. In Hindi, haldi. In Assamese, halodhi. So children, we learn all about spice. So if you like our videos, please like, comment and share. For more videos, subscribe our channel.